Hi, this is S. Prashant from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Today I am going to do a third experiment in computer networks, that is IP addressing and subnet. For this we have to know the IP address classes: class E, class B, class T and class D. Each will have some ranges. For example, class A have 1 to 127 and class B have 128 to 191, and class C has 192 to 223, and class T will have 224 to 239, that is reserved for only multicasting purpose. And for class E, 240 to 255 reserved for experimental and used for research and other things. And here we have to know about the default subnet mask for class A and class B and class C. For class E, 255.0.0.0. For class B, 255.255.0.0, and for class C, 255.255.255.0. Now let's go to a problem. There are 5 problems. I am going to explain each problem. Right. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys first problems. First problem is nothing. They have number of needed subnet is 3, number of usable host address is 45, network address is 200.175.14.0. Address class is, this is class C, and default subnet mask is 255.255.255.192, and custom subnet mask is 4. Total number of subnets is 64, and the total number of address is 62. Number of usable address is 2, and here there are 4 columns. For one is for the subnet, the 3 subnet, and one column is for subnet work address, and the remaining 2 is for first and last valid host address, and the last one is for broadcasting the address, that is for network address. Generally it will be divided, the subnet mask or the host, the address will divide it into a 2 category. One is for network address and another is for host address, and we have to solve this and we'll get the answers by using the above details. And second is also the number of needed subnet is 10, and the network address is 172.59.0.0, and here address class used is B, that is 255.255.0.0, and here the custom subnet mask is 16. Total number of subnets also 16. The total number of host address is 16. The number of usable address is only 14. The number of bits borrowed is 4, and the subnet address is 179.59.0.0. Here we have to include, instead of 0, the total number of subnet, that is 16. Likewise we have to arrange. And third problem is similarly of second problem. Here the number of needed usable host is 50 and the network address is different, that is here also same class B we are using with the required details. Here the problem is a diagrammatic problem, that is a topological problem also you can say. Create an addressing scheme for the given below topologies that meets the requirements shown in the diagram. Hence this question is asked in the exam, so easily we can do this. FA01, that enroll the Ethernet. Here the 2 routers are connected with 3 switches, and for one is for marketing, here 24 hosts is stored, and another is for research purposes, that is 60 hosts are stored, and the final one is for management, 15 hosts are stored. Here also the same thing, we are going to find that subnetwork address, first valid host address, the last valid host address, and the broadcast address. same topological problem is for second also. Well, I mean last question. This is fifth question. Here the IP address given is 136.126.0.0 and one switch is for some Dallas 150 address. One for one country it get given 150 hosts. For the another country Washington or DC, that is 220 hosts, and for Newark they are given 325 hosts, and we have to connect the